welcome back. So today I thought I'll share with you guys what I got my 2-year-old for Christmas. I'm not going to show you her stocking. That's going to be in a separate video. Um, but before we get started, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you haven't already, I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. Let's get started. The first thing I do want to say, guys, is I understand that everybody's Christmases look different. We've actually been buying stuff for months, so we won't get hit with all of it at once because we can't afford to buy all this stuff at once. So I do only have one child. She is 2 and like 3-4 months. So we only have one child, so we do spoil her. Although I don't think this is anything crazy, but we do like spoiling her. And on top of that, I am showing you what my mom bought for her as well, since I do wrap my mom's gifts for other people as well. But this is what we got her. So yeah, she has a big imagination when she plays, which I absolutely love. She's literally me. Loves playing with Barbies, taking off the clothes, changing their clothes, doing their hair, then she gets mad. But anyways, this is what we got her because this is what she currently likes as a 2-year-old. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is also the first year she'll be able to open them. Last year she didn't really care for unwrapping at all. She kind of was like just like playing without actually like interacting with any of the Christmas stuff. Like she didn't really care. But this year she was so excited for the Christmas tree. She actually like she hasn't seen anything wrapped, but when she saw this, because I wrapped this guy last night, she keeps touching it, which a lot of people will get annoyed, but I think that's the cutest thing ever. I'll rewrap it. It's okay. You just can't open it yet. But yeah, I'm so excited. Let's just get into it because I'm like so excited. All right. So I did wrap this last night because my husband had to take it out of the garage and bring it inside. So I wrapped it last night so that I can have it up here so I could put it under the tree today. Of course, I didn't want her to fully see it. She's seen it in the garage, but she's really good at, she doesn't ask for things. So she was just like, Barbie. And I was like, yeah, mama, that's Barbie. And that's it. But like, she doesn't like cry for the things. Thank God. Yes. But so my husband got her a Barbie playhouse. He actually bought this a while back on a really, really good deal at, I believe, Ross or Marshall's. And I'll show you guys on the screen what it looked like and me wrapping it. I'm so excited that he got her this. I had one when I was a kid and I absolutely loved mine. So I'm so excited to play with this with her. All right, so let's just stay in the lines of Barbie. So her dad got her this. I mean, we both got her this. He asked and I said, duh. And he's like, ran and got it. So that. Then he also picked this guy up for her, which I believe comes with one Barbie. Let me double check. Yes, it comes with the Barbie and clothes. She loves changing their clothes. I hope you guys could even see it with the light. I try to like not put the light too close, but yeah. So it's a basically fashion combo activity book. That's what it's called. But it's basically clothes for the Barbie, and it comes with one Barbie. I believe it comes 40. Yeah, 40 different looks you could come out with it. He got this because again, she needs Barbie clothes, and Amazon has like fake Barbie clothes. So I don't even know if that works. If you bought that, let me know because she has Dollar Tree Barbie clothes, but they fit the Barbie short. Kind of like her pants. Anyways, this was on sale on Target. So I picked this guy up for her as an actual car. She loves cars. In general, she likes cartwheels. Car wheels. She loves cars. So again, my kid, because I used to love car wheels when I was a kid, like loved them. So we got her a Barbie car, which I know she's going to love. Also this doll house, I believe, comes with 2 or 3 Barbies and some clothes and a whole bunch of accessories. So she should be set with the Barbie, but mom being mom, got her another Barbie. So I got her this one. It's basically like Pup Adopt, and I believe the dog's little mouth, like if you wet it, it changes. Let me see. There you go. It changes like color. There. So I got her this. I thought it was really, really cute. She does like animals, so I thought this would be really cute to just add to the Barbie theme. So that is all we got Barbie related. That's all. That's like a lot. But again, my baby loves her Barbies. The other thing I did buy that I don't have yet, it's actually supposed to come here tomorrow. I got her the Bluey car. I was waiting to see if this would go on sale, but it did not. She loves Bluey. She loves playing with all the characters. She's always putting the Bluey characters in her little people, little airplane that she has. And I know that she'll be so excited when she sees the car that's actually in the show. So I got her that. It's not crazy expensive. I was just hoping, it will go down in price, but it didn't. Yeah. So then I got her this. She loves her carts. Her Target cart, loves it. She plays with it all the time. And then when I saw this, I was like, all right, she needs that too. She is going to be so excited when she sees more like it's like a banana and she could cut it. It comes with like the orange juice, a spray bottle to clean. She pretends she's cleaning all the time her kitchen. She'll say clean, 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 mommy me fixing. Goes with like cereal, the credit card. She actually loves taking out my red card from my wallet. It comes with fake money, a fake cookie, which I might actually have to hide because I don't want her to put that in her mouth, even though lately it's not even like that she knows she's pretending, but she still kind of puts it in her mouth without like, thinking. I mean, she's two. Just in case. I don't like the size of that. But the strawberry is huge, so we're good. But I'm so excited because she doesn't have anything like this. She does have a register that my husband purchased, I believe at Goodwill, which she likes, but the button is really strong and it pushes out really fast and it kind of freaks her out a little bit sometimes. So I'm so excited to have this. We go to Target all the time, so she's probably going to be so excited for that. All right, and then I believe we got this at Ross. No, we got this at Marshall's, which is a water. Wow. It came with 4, and this was $14. My daughter actually really, really loves these. I honestly feel like we're going to give this to her, give her one, and I'm going to hide the rest for a while. But I do love that this one, like, they all come with, like, animals and different themes. This one's, like, underwater, farm. I think this is also, like, farm, and this, like, zoo animals. I just love things like this for her. Keep them nice and clean and keeps her very entertained. She loves those. I love those. If you've never tried those are really fun. My husband loves it too. And then we had got this at Barnes and Noble, I believe. My husband actually, I believe, picked this out, and it is Blippi puzzles. It comes with 5. Yeah, 5 puzzles. It does say 3+, but my daughter loves her Barbie one that's just like this, so we decided to pick her another one up. And then on this side, I do want to say also, like, the Water Wow, the Blippi is definitely going to be from Santa. I know I never believed in Santa growing up, and I think I would have loved it. So I'm just going to kind of keep it real. Like, Santa brings what he can. And then mommy and daddy bought you this. That's just personal preference. I don't want to be like Santa got you that, because not all kids, Santa can bring all kids that. So I'm just keeping it real. Even with my best friend's kids, I'm doing the same thing. Like, I even asked them, I was like, is it okay if the little presents are from Santa? I just feel like it's fun and it keeps it, keep the Santa spirit alive a little. All right, anyways, so the next thing I did get her. Now this, he says it's mainly for me. It's not for me, but my daughter loves her kitchen in her playroom. She plays there all the time. She cooks all day. She loves the kitchen, and my husband says it's mainly probably because I'm always in the kitchen, because I'm cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and cleaning the kitchen. So when we go to, like, my in-laws' house or his sister's house or something, she even wants to kind of, like, low-key bring the kitchen to the sala, which is the living room. Sorry, I'm bilingual. I really, really wanted to get this. I thought it's a genius idea, guys. Like, come on. So it took like 5 trips to Ross, Marshalls, and Home Goods to convince him, and he's like, yeah, that's a good idea. So basically it looks like this. I should probably turn off the light. I'll do close-ups. So basically she could carry it like a suitcase, and it's a little kitchen within itself. I thought that was such a cute idea. It literally comes with like the food, the dishes and everything, so that she can have her own little travel kitchen, which is something that she loves doing. And I thought that would be a really good idea. And this was only $19, so I was like, why not? All right, so that is what she's getting from mom, dad, and Santa. She's also getting one more thing from Santa. That's from my mom, which is this. This is $10 at Costco. Run to your Costco. They do have like a makeup one as well. She already has that. She plays with it upstairs, and I actually have a backup of that one as well upstairs. But you guys, it's stickers, and like she could do the dogs and put the eyes and everything. My daughter loves things like this, so I thought it would be great for a Santa gift. My mom just got the stuff and was like, do whatever you want, basically. um the other thing that my mom did pick up for her is a magnetic matching picture game. So I picked this out, technically speaking, also for her, again, puzzles and putting stuff together. We're kind of working on it. She does get really, really frustrated sometimes, but we're working on the little bit of a patience that she needs to have. But she does love her puzzles, regardless of patience. So I'm very proud of her. But we got this. I really wanted something more sturdy, that can be like, let's play with this, if that makes sense. She has a whole little educational portion in her room, so that's going to be part of that because I feel like that's important. And then my mom being my mom. So my husband says she does not need this. She does not need this. She does not need this. She doesn't, because she has one already. But this is the upgraded version of it. My mom got her the Fire HD Kids 10. This is the newest one that came out. And she actually got her, if it focuses on it, come on. Oh, she actually got her the Disney Princess one. I love the mint color, mint purple. So this is actually 13th generation, I guess that's what it says. So she got her this. Very grateful for my mom. She actually bought her the other one as well, but she literally was like, she needs the upgraded version for it. The other one freezes sometimes. I'm like, okay, mom. I mean, I spoil my kid, and my mom spoils me and her and my husband. So this is what my mom got my toddler. And then she, again, didn't need to get this, but she did, and I'm beyond grateful. She got her the charger for it. So, but she didn't buy her the sleeve. Well, I don't want the sleeve. That's too much to have. Even though my daughter loves bags. She gets that for me. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap my daughter's presents. I specifically picked out, stop focusing on me, this wrapping paper. I got my scissors. I got tape somewhere. Using these guys from last year. I'm using bows and stuff from years prior. And then also some ribbon from years prior. I'm not an expert at wrapping gifts, guys. I just go with the flow and call it a day. For her, the good thing is I don't actually have to, take away the pricing stuff because she don't know. So, also we go to my in-laws' house, for Christmas Eve, and we always sleep over. So I don't think I'm taking her big gift. I'm actually trying to decide. I think I might just take this and the little Barbie one and the little stuff. The only thing that's going to stay here, I think, is going to be that big gift for her. I just have to, you have to mentally think like whatever, well, I have to mentally think whatever we take there, we are bringing back. So I don't want to take that, then open it there, and then stuff's all over the place. Bring all that stuff back, and then put it back here, and then fix it here. And no, thank you. So she'll be opening that when we get home on Christmas Day, which I think will be really cute. She'll have a big present waiting for her at home. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Everything's nice and wrapped. I'm about to put it underneath the tree. I'm going to actually wrap my everything else later on, and I'll probably do a video on that as well. Regardless, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Happy holidays, and let me know where you guys got your munchkins, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.